Hello and welcome to Goa 365's English News Bulletin. I am Susan Gomes and these are the headlines.
Former Congress Chief Minister Luciano Falero resigns from party as MLA. Congress High Command attacks Trinamool Congress, accuses it of poaching. Special trained tourist force deployed to assist tourists on beaches. Goa to concentrate on hinterland tourism, says Chief Minister on Tourism Day. Light to moderate rain with thunder showers in short intense spells likely, accompanied by winds on 27th, 28th and 29th of September.
And now for the news in detail. Former Congress Chief Minister Luciano Falero has put in his papers, resigning from the primary membership of the Congress as well as an MLA. However, he says he is still a congressman. He also refused to specify when he would join the Trinamool Congress.
Luciano told a crowded media press conference that he had been hurt by behavior of the Congress observers since 2017, but he had taken this step to get all the Congress factions together. Listen to him.
I have resigned as an MLA and I have resigned as a primary member of Congress party, but I belong to the Congress family.
Which Congress family?
The family which gave us freedom. Overall Congress family. And you wait and see. We are going to start a movement to free Goa and movement to fight against the divisive forces. A Congress which can fight the BJP. आता सांगेल मरो बाप तुका सांग आता सांगला. I will inform you. It won't be very long. I will come and inform you. Thank you. Thank you. You wait and see. I met my people today. I met them yesterday and I'm going to meet them tonight. Thank you.
One quick question. Earlier in the day, he went to the Speaker Rajesh Patnaikar and submitted his resignation as an MLA. He also put in his papers as a primary member of the party.
Many people are asking whether I am quitting Congress. Definitely no. I belong to the Congress family and I will be always there with the Congress family. Of course, I have resigned as an MLA. But I have resigned as an MLA so that my dream to build, consolidate, strengthen and unify the Congress family at the state level and at the national level. And I will work hard to do so. So that this Congress family has been today divided. There is a Congress which belongs to Mamta. There is a Congress which belongs to YSR. There is a Congress which belongs to Sharad Pawar. And there is a Congress which was my party belonging to Indira Congress. But once a family is divided, it becomes weak. And you must have seen the Congress which has given the independence to India is today weak, losing everything. Last year itself, last 2 years, we lost 187 MLAs. So I have decided and see that we work hard once again so that we give a strong opposition to the present dispensation in Goa and at the center.
Irshad Sheikh and Amar Chavriya for Goa 365 from Porvorim and Panaji.
the Congress is facing a fresh onslaught, this time from within. The impact seems to have finally shaken the Congress from its high horse. But the only thing the Congress in charge could say is that the Trinamool Congress should not poach congressmen.
Veteran congressman and long-time loyalist Luisino Falero has put in his papers and was still trying to cobble together an anti-Congress coalition is a massive political development just ahead of assembly elections. Soon after the resignation, Dinesh Gundu Rao landed in Goa. However, looks as if the Congress has decided to blame the foreign hand in this once again instead of introspecting into what went wrong.
This is a democracy and we should be a healthy democracy. Coming and trying to suddenly create a political party and trying to poach leaders from other political parties is not a good thing. Not a good thing for the culture of Goa. So what TMC is doing is, I think, not in the interest of Goa, not in the political interest of Goa, and it is not in the development or not in the development interest of Goa. This is like something which is, I think, party should be built from the grassroots level. No? Can't come from helicopter land and start picking up leaders. That is not a good thing. Correct. So I don't like this kind of politics. See, all of them are all his close associates. Correct. Who are with him. And we knew this 15 days back only.
Is there any dispute or some कुछ हो रहा है party के बीच में या members के हिसाब से?
Any split vertically? They are talking about vertical split. Like that will happen. But let us see how all these things develop.
So Luisino Falero going and Avartan Furtado coming is a good bet.
No. You see, in every constituency we have many options. Correct. And there are a lot of people, aspirants within Congress. So we have to select the best in all that. So we can't, I won't talk about any particular constituency now. So we do a proper survey and we do a feedback. That process will be there in the next month. We'll be doing all those things. And then the candidate process is another process. But many people are wanting to join Congress. Many people already joined Congress. Many people will be joining in the future also. So there are a lot of, because Congress is a strong party here. Some people for their personal agendas and to gain some for their own personal benefits, they may be taking some decisions, but anyway, I will address certain things later on.
Hero Male for Goa 365 from Vasco.
We shall slip into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A special skill-trained tourist force has been deployed to assist tourists in crowded beaches in North and South Goa. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said this on Monday. The Chief Minister also said he had already requested the centre to restart chartered flights soon as possible.
The Chief Minister was speaking during the celebration of World Tourism Day at Taj Dona Paula. Deputy Chief Minister Manohar Babasgaonkar, GTTC President Dayanand Sopte and others were present. Tourism for inclusive growth was the theme. Goa Tourism Board was appointed. Also, the tourism schemes were launched on the occasion.
Tourism Information Center, especially the Tourism Police Force, which were involved from today, from especially on the beach. Magadistan, North Goa and South Goa, well-crowded beaches are young today. The especially in the soft skill trained police will be there available to assist for all the tourists. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and गोयकारांचे कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स केला आणि गोयकारांचे अभिनंदन केला. आम्ही 100% वॅक्सिनेशन केला याच्या बद्दल आणि प्राऊडली सांगता आम्ही सेकंड आम्ही 30 ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत 100% वॅक्सिनेशन पुराय करपाक शकले. आम्ही इंडियातली फर्स्ट स्टेट 100% वॅक्सिनेटेड म्हणून अनाउन्स करपाक शकले. It's the safest destination for the tourism worldwide. आम्ही अनाउन्स करपाक शकले. Honorable Prime Minister has requested the same thing. Also, Prime Minister, म्हाका दिसता tourism हे गोंयांतले tourism boost करपा खातीर तांच्यांनी म्हणटा tourismaच्या शिवाय आमकां दुसरो अल्टरनेटिव्ह सुद्दां for that purpose special charter permissions दिवपाचे. We already permissions for the Home Ministry, for the External Affairs and for the aviations. We had already requested within short few days we'll get the permission. I'm sure we'll get the permission for the special charter in the state of Goa.
Mining, a main source of Goa's income, is shut for several years. However, Chief Minister has achieved 90% success to solve the imbroglio. the GTDC chairperson said. According to him, the tourism sector, which goes in hand with mining, helped in reviving Goa's economy.
ताचे अथक प्रयत्न आसा की मायन्स इंडस्ट्री जी मेजर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम बंद पडला ती सुरू करच्या खातीर वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीन प्रयत्न करून ह्या देशाचे आदरणीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्रजी मोदी हाचे बरोबर खूब फावटी मिटींग कंडक्ट करून म्हाका दिसता ऑलमोस्ट हो जो इश्यू जो आसा हो मायनीचो जो प्रॉब्लम आसा तो सॉल्व करपाचो प्रयत्न 90% तांच्यानी केलेलो आसा. आज जरी मायन्स म्हणजे सोर्स ऑफ इनकम मेजर जो आसलो जरी ना पण पॅरलल जो आसा टुरिजम हो टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री पुश करच्या खातीर वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीन वेगवेगळ्या प्रयत्नान सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या मदतीन त्याच बरोबर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाच्या मदतीन वेगवेगळे बरे बरे प्रोजेक्ट ह्या गोंयांत आमी हाडपाचो प्रयत्न केला.
Also listen to what the tourism minister has to say on Goa's culture.
आज चड खुशी भोगता की पयलोच आयल्या उपरांत हांगा म्युजीक चालू जालें आनी याद आयली पयलींची कार्नवालाची बिर्नवालाची तेन्ना रस्त्यार आमी कार्नवाल करताले आज मुखार फाल्यां वयर आनी आमचें कल्चर टुरिजमा भितरल्यानूच कमी जाला आनी आमचे कल्चराचे वयल्यान तुमी आजचो प्रोग्राम चालू केला म्युजीक सॉंग्स आमचे कल्चरच गोंयकारांचे. आज सांगपाक चड खूश भोगता की टुरिजम आमी बरे फुडें येल्ले आहा पूण खाली ह्या गोंयड्या खातीर आमकां खंय तरी ब्रेक नासलो. हांव केन्नाय टुरिजमाक पळयतना असो पळयता की हो एक बिजनस असो म्हणून जितले पयशे घालताले तेच्यान चड पयशे येवपाक जाय तेच्यान डबल पयशे येवपाक जाय पण टुरिजम हो येवपाक जाय गोंयांत. टुरिजम समज टुरिस्ट येयना जाल्यार आमी सारके आमचे बारीकले बारीक धंदे आनी हॉटेल काबार जातले म्हणून आमकां एक गोश्ट दिवपाक जाय. हांव मागता सीएमा कडेन ह्या व्यासपीठा वयल्यान ताणें जाता तितले बेगीन चार्टर फ्लायट मान्यता दिवची आनी विजाय चडांत चड माफ करपाक आमकां टुरिजमाक सवलत दिवची.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Dona Paula.
India reported 26,041 new COVID cases the last 24 hours, which is 8% lesser than yesterday. The active cases account for less than 1% of the overall cases. The data of Health Ministry said this.
India recorded 276 deaths due to COVID, taking total death toll to 4,47,194. Kerala, where the worrying surge has been a cause of national concern, reported 15,591 cases in the last 24 hours. India has given over 86 crore vaccine doses so far. The government aims to fully vaccinate 108 crore adults by the end of this year. Canada will allow direct flights from India from Monday onwards, lifting a ban of more than 5 months. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will slip into a short break. Stay with us. Now for the weather. Light to moderate rain with thunder showers in short intense spells, very likely at most places on 27th, 28th and 29th of September. These will be accompanied by 40 km per hour winds.
Heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places of the district on 27th. Because of the squally weather, fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas during above mentioned period.
At 8:30 a.m. of 27th September, for the past 24 hours, light to moderate rainfall only was reported from the stations over Goa. 13 स्टेशन में सिर्फ 4 स्टेशन से रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट हुआ और सबसे ज़्यादा रिपोर्ट हुआ था सांकलिम से, जो कि 2 सेंटीमीटर रहा. और आज के दिन तक का, यानी कि अप टू 27 सितंबर तक का अगर सीजनल स्टेट एवरेज मानसून रेनफॉल क्यूमुलेटिव वैल्यू हम देखेंगे तो वो नॉर्मल से 5% हायर है और अराउंड 31 सेंटीमीटर अभी तक क्यूमुलेटिव रेनफॉल हुआ है अगेंस्ट अ नॉर्मल वैल्यू ऑफ 29.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. अभी तक अगर आज के दिन का सिग्निफिकेंट वेदर सिस्टम के बारे में बोले तो देयर वाज दिस साइक्लोन गुलाब विच हैड इट्स लैंडफॉल ओवर नॉर्थ आंध्र प्रदेश, साउथ ओडिशा ऑन येस्टरडे। कल उसका लैंडफॉल हुआ था और लैंडफॉल के बाद भी उसका वेस्टवर्ड नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड मूवमेंट जारी है। आफ्टर लैंडफॉल उसका वीकनिंग हुआ और आज 27 सितंबर की 8:30 को वो एक डीप डिप्रेशन के फॉर्म पे है साउथ ओडिशा और साउथ छत्तीसगढ़ के ऊपर, और आने वाले घंटों में भी उसका वीकनिंग और वेस्टवर्ड साउथ वेस्टवर्ड वेस्टवर्ड नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड मूवमेंट जारी रहेगा। इट विल weaken into a depression in coming 6 hours, and further it will weaken into a well marked low pressure area in the coming in the subsequent 24 hours. Or there is a good possibility it will keep on moving westward northwestward, and it will emerge over Gujarat coast in northeast Arabian Sea on 30th of September। यानी कि ये सिस्टम का मूवमेंट होगा वेस्टवर्ड नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड और वो गुजरात कोस्ट के आसपास एमर्ज होने के चांसेस है 30 सितंबर को, और उसके बाद के 24 आवर्स में उसका फर्दर इंटेंसिफिकेशन और वेस्टवर्ड मूवमेंट होने के चांसेस है। और ये सिस्टम के अलावा आज के दिन 27 को और एक ट्रफ भी है जो नॉर्थ कोंकण से ये सिस्टम तक एक्सटेंड हो रहा है। ये दोनों सिस्टम को देखते हुए there is a good possibility that rainfall over Goa also will increase in these 3 days starting from 27th। IMD ने पहले ही फोरकास्ट किया था कि 27th से रेनफॉल इंक्रीज होने के चांसेस हैं, और 27th, 28th और 29th सितंबर को 3 दिन हेवी रेनफॉल होने के चांसेस है आइसोलेटेड प्लेसेस में गोवा के ऊपर। और इन दैट 27th को there is possibility of very heavy rainfall also, that is rainfall exceeding 11.5 centimeters in 24 hours. There is on 27th there is possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over north and south Goa districts, and on 28th and 29th there is possibility of isolated heavy rainfall। और ये दिनों में short intense spells और rainfall के साथ साथ around 40 kilometers per hour तक के wind speed के भी chances हैं। और आने वाले दिनों में भी ये रेनफॉल और विंड स्पीड सब जो सिस्टम के बारे में हम बोल रहे थे उसके लोकेशन और इंटेंसिटी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहेगा, इसलिए प्लीज़ बी रेगुलरली अपडेटेड अबाउट द वेदर वार्निंग्स दैट IMD इश्यूज इन दिस कमिंग डेज। अभी आज के दिन का लेटेस्ट रडार इमेज हम देखेंगे तो हम देख सकते हैं कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन इन द नॉर्थ वेस्ट sector of Goa। There is good possibility that these clouds will approach Goa coast in the afternoon or in the late evening, and rainfall activity may pick up over Goa in the late hours of today। So जैसे ये सिस्टम का मूवमेंट होगा वेस्ट नॉर्थ वेस्टवर्ड, तो उसके साथ विंड स्पीड भी बढ़ने वाला है along the coast on 28th and 29th along Maharashtra Goa coast। Wind speed could be around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour। तो इसलिए it is advised that fishermen should not venture into sea along and off South Maharashtra Goa coast, even the entire Maharashtra Goa coast on 28th and 29th of September। Once again, it is requested that please be updated with the warnings issued by IMD।
Goa 360 Bureau with inputs from IMD।
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV, or download our app which is available on both Android and iPhones to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.